welcome to Subway Surfers, Washington D.C. version. Okay. Do you want more light? I'll give you more light. Other light. There. There. I'm sitting on my couch watching TV. Well, I'm not watching it. I was watching YouTube. Ah! Turn that off. There. Cough, cough. My mouse is moving so slow. Yay. Let's pray, bro. The police. Hope. Nothing can kill. I don't care. I've played this game many times. Yeah, I've played this. Oh yeah, fresh moves. Fresh moves. Fresh moves like Stephen Curry's. Stephen Curry got some fresh moves. I know! You rock! Now go! Yeah! Uh-oh. See? Look how beautiful this is. No, my coins! Ow! Please don't kill me! Daddy! Ow! My toes! My toesies! My toes! Poo-poo. Woo! I know everybody's parents are fine with you watching me, because I'm not in the problem. Ow. That hurt again. Versus. Want to see my sick moves? I don't want Facebook. Thank you. Boost. X. What's the X? Me. See, look how awesome I am. Wait a second, which board do I have? Okay, I need this one. Dang it, it's 75,000 bucks. I need it. It'll look good with me. It will look good with my awesomeness. Awesomeness! Okay, let's go. I need to play Agario. I need to check if I put a video on Agario because I don't remember. Anyway, I hope people start watching me because I've checked my videos. I don't have any views or likes or subscribers or comments. I watch my own videos. My sister likes my own videos. She doesn't subscribe. I didn't see that there. Money! Woo! Double up. Oh. That is strange. X. Here. Yay. I have a lot more coins to go to get that board that I want though. Please subscribe. My dogs depend on it. Right, puppies? Why won't you bark? Bark. Ugh. Ah! I'm so horrible at this game. I need help. Wait. I'll go show you my puppies. Look at this puppy. Look at her. So cute. And look at him. He's so cute. I will not brag about any of my skills on nothing. And honestly, I will never be as good as Jacksepticeye. Well, maybe, once he's dead. But I'll be like, 40 years old when he's dead, so... Wait, how old is he? I think he's like 30. Oh, I'll be really old when he's dead. Oh, look, double jump. Dang it. Daddy? Ah! This is mine. This is my Disney Channel. How do I pause it? There's the pause button. Pause. Dang it! I don't want to save you. Oh, just move it. I gotta run. I want to tell my TV to shut up. I will never tell you anything bad, except that I'm horrible at this game. You might be great. You might be awesome at this game. Oh yeah, you're all bosses! Just gotta say that. Oh, come on! I should make a video of my sick move. All you people need to see my sick moves. Ooh. Dang it. Ah! Wanna hear my real scream? I love balls. That's why I chose a circle. Because I love balls. I love balls. All the way. Feels good to be a winner. Every now and then, I believe in you. I believe in you. Uh-oh, I tripped. See? Look at this awesome sauce. Oh, stunts for days. Ah! I need donuts. I know why that police officer is so fat. He ate too many donuts. Ah! Donuts. Dun 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 dun. As you can tell, I am on a phone. How did you notice? I should make a video of my sick moves. I need more boards. How many do I have anyway? I need to check that out. Uh-oh. Dang it! My coins! Dang it. Ah! I'm alive tonight, 'cause I am all alive. Woo! yeah. Look at these scales.
Jack, you're so goofy.
Cool. Ah! I'm on YouTube. Come on! That's all a stupid jump. See, I'm happy. I want to pet my puppies. Your
Honey,
puppies.
after the show, we're gonna go to bed so you can read, okay?
No, I don't want to go to bed and read. What? Hear that? My mama forcing me to go to bed and read. You hear that? Did you hear that? I hope you can hear me. I didn't get mad. I wasn't mad. Sorry, dudes. Okay, this is my last round, and then I'm gonna end up this video. Video, not videos. Why did I say videos? Ow, that hurt. I knew that would happen. Why? Bye. Wow, I'm second in the whole entire. Peace out. You gotta remember, subscribe.